Know your statistics, monitoring your website performance. Your website is the face of your business. It's probably also one of the most expensive marketing assets you ever bought. And the bad news is that you need to keep injecting money to make it work for you. But in order to generate money from your site, you need to measure and monitor so that you know what to invest in and how to involve your online presence. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Loading time. Your website's loading time is one of the first metrics to look at. If you have problems with this, everything else is compromised. So by giving this a priority, you remove a big potential downside. This is especially true if you sell products online. Here are some real-life examples of how this affected some well-known brands. Amazon experienced a 1% loss in revenue per 1 millisecond site load daily. Walmart increased their conversion rate by 2% for every 1 second of load time improvement. Mozzarella improved their conversion rate by 15.4% by reducing load time by 2.2 seconds. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to get all these great tips which will help you get the success you are after. Broken page links. Links that lead to nowhere on your website are called 404 page errors. Whether a broken link is caused by a misspelling or a resource that was moved or deleted that make you look bad and unprofessional at best. At worst, people leave your site right away, never to return. There are some very easy to use tools that do a great job of finding your broken links. Traffic. Another important metric is the overall traffic. This is an obvious one, but if your traffic increases without increasing your sales, then it can also be an alarm bell that signals that you need to make some drastic changes to your structure or lead harvesting tools or lead nurturing process. Page per viewer. The number of pages each viewer looks at is a good indicator of how interesting and easy to navigate your website is. So watch these metrics and if possible use tools like Hotjar or Crazy 8 to record user experience on your site and improve the navigation and layouts. Bounce rate. This is probably the most worrying metric, but it is on average quite high even if you're doing pretty well. Google Analytics described it as a one-click interaction with your website. That said, it should be your goal to reduce it as much as possible. The average bounce rate is 45% according to a study carried out by Rocket Fuel. By monitoring these performance points, you lay the foundation for a better website. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at 3 things a web audit helps you achieve. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.